In front of me is hammer blade 5 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by launching settings and tapping on apps section right away. Then click on default apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, browser app. Now just tap on the one that you wish to apply and go back. As you can see, after that, my browser app was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!